Tomcat support WebSockets. Here in their samples, you can find WebSocket examples where you can find, for example, a chat, an example for chat that use WebSockets. Let's open this code sample into web browsers and see the way it works. The code underneath is the code we can expect to find when using WebSocket. Here we have a function that takes care of creating a WebSocket object. Here that object is configured with a function to be invoked when the WebSocket is created, with a function to be invoked when the WebSocket is closed, and with a function to be invoked when getting a message. Here, this is the function that takes care of creating the initial connection. Here is the function that is being invoked each time a message is sent. Sending a message when using WebSocket is fairly simple, just calling the send method on the WebSocket object. Let's return back.